request everyone join your hands together. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my immense privilege and honor to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Minister for HRD, IT, Electronics and Communications and RDG, Government of Andhra Pradesh. So, your visionary leadership and unwavering commitment towards education, digital transformation and industrial development continue to inspire the youth and business community alike. We're deeply grateful for your gracious presence today. Ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands together for our chief guest, Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Minister of Human Resources Development, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication and Real-Time Governance, Government of Andhra Pradesh. And also join your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and let me welcome Honorable District in Charge Minister Shri Kollu Ravindra Garu. And alage okkasari gattiga cheppatlu and let me welcome Shri Sundarapu Vijay Kumar Garu, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Elamanchili Niyojakavargam. And alage let me welcome Shri C.M. Ramesh Garu, Honorable Member of Parliament, Anukapalli Parliamentary Constituency. And alage let me welcome Shri Pragada Nageshwarrao Garu, Honorable Chairman, Andhra Pradesh Road Development Corporation and AC in charge, Elamanchili Assembly Constituency. Ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands together and let me welcome Shrimati Vijaya Kishan Garu, Honorable Collector and District Magistrate, Anukapalli. And alage let me welcome APIIC Chairman Shri Ramaraju Garu. We heartily welcome you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands together for our dignitaries. I request our dignitaries to kindly invoke divine blessings for the success of noble initiative. I request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly join for lighting the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands together. I request andaru okasari gattiga cheppatlu and alage vedika meeda at your designated seats. And అలాగే విచ్చేసిన వారంతా కూడా కూర్చోవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. And now I request to present the bouquet to our honorable chief guest Shri Nara Lokesh Garu. I request Shri Akshay Arora, honorable chairman Blue Jet Healthcare Private Limited, to kindly present the bouquet to our honorable minister, our honorable today's chief guest Shri Nara Lokesh Garu. I request everyone, please join in hands together. Thank you so very much for coming, sir. Thank you so much. And now I request Shri Venu Babu Garu, Honorable Senior Vice President, Blue Jet Healthcare Service Private Limited, to kindly present the bouquet to Shri Kollu Ravindra Garu, Honorable District In Charge Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands together. And now I request Shri Shivan Arora, Honorable Managing Director, Blue Jet Healthcare Private Limited, to kindly present the bouquet to Shri C.M. Ramesh Garu, Honorable Member of Parliament, Anakapalli Parliamentary Constituency. And now I request Shri Naresh, Honorable Co-Founder and Executive Director, Blue Jet Healthcare Private Limited, to kindly present the bouquet to Shri Sundarapu Vijay Kumar Garu, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Elementary Assembly Constituency. Thank you, sir. And now I request Shri Venu Babu Garu, Honorable Senior Vice President, to kindly present the bouquet to Shri Pragada Nageswarrao Garu, Honorable Chairman, Andhra Pradesh Road Development Corporation and AC in charge, Elementary Assembly Constituency. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And next, I request Shri Shivan Arora, Honorable Managing Director, Blue Jet Healthcare Limited, to kindly present the bouquet to Srimati Vijay Krishnan, Honorable Collector and District Magistrate, Anakapalli. And now I request Shri Venu Babu Garu, Honorable Senior Vice President, to kindly present the bouquet to APIIC Chairman Shri Ramaraju Garu. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, thank you so much. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to address session. So now I invite Shri Shivan Arora ji, Honorable Managing Director, Blue Jet Healthcare Limited, to deliver the welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands together. And now let me welcome Shri Shivan Arora ji to kindly deliver the welcome address. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए शिवन जी के लिए। आवाज ही नहीं आ रही, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहे, और एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए।
Thank you so much. Respected Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, distinguished members of the Government of Andhra Pradesh, esteemed officials, partners, media, and the Blue Jet family. Today is more than a groundbreaking. It's a moment of conviction. Conviction in Andhra Pradesh, conviction in India's manufacturing future, and a conviction in our ability to build at global scale. When we were evaluating our next phase of growth across the country, we were not just comparing locations, we were actually assessing the execution. In today's global competitive environment, speed matters, but more than speed, it's clarity, certainty, responsiveness, and most importantly, institutional alignment. That determines where investment moves. What we really experienced in Andhra Pradesh, from the Economic Development Board to the APIIC to district administration, was just pure professionalism, decisiveness, and that experience gave us the right confidence to move with AP. This project represents phase one of significant investment aligned with a long-term development roadmap to serve global pharmaceutical demand. As it scales, we will generate highly skilled employment and which will contribute positively to the industrial growth of this entire region. Beyond capital, this facility represents capability. Since our founding in the year 1968, Blue Jet Healthcare has grown its foundation on ethics, governance, and strong long-term partnerships. Over multiple decades, that credibility has earned us trust with our global customers. Vizag is where we scale this trust. Our ambition is clear: to be a world-class CDMO, one that Andhra Pradesh and India can proudly showcase to the world. A platform built on global standards, which is driven by technology and anchored in quality. Global pharmaceutical supply chains are evolving. Resilience and cost is becoming very, very important. As India advances to the vision of Viksit Bharat, manufacturing depth and global competitiveness will define our progress. For us, Vizag is not an expansion site. It is a strategic anchor for the next era of growth. On behalf of our board, the entire Blue Jet team, I sincerely thank Lokesh Nara Garu and the government of Andhra Pradesh for their partnership and support. Today, we lay more than a foundation stone. We lay the foundation of a globally competitive manufacturing platform from Andhra Pradesh for the world. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for your inspiring words. And to understand the remarkable journey and ambitious vision of Blue Jet Healthcare, please turn your attention towards the screen. Here we are having an AV. So can we have the AV on screen, please?
Shivan Arora, Managing Director of Blue Jet Healthcare, delighted to share our story. A story of collaboration, clarity, and confidence in Andhra Pradesh government. With over 5 decades of excellence, Blue Jet Healthcare Limited has grown